Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another code, which is pretty similar to the previous one, *#07#. And here we've got the SAR information, so we can check the specific measurements. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code for the calendar information. It is *##225#*##. And here we've got the calendar info, so here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back, and another code, *##426#*##. Here we are in the diagnostic mode, so we can check the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status again, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code for today's video. It is *##4636###. Oh no. ###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let me check it. So here we've got the API configuration and the status. We can check the status, refresh the stats, and for example, we've got the information just like the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Let's go back, usage statistics, and here we've got the list of apps, and basically the processes. Last time you can change the sorting type by usage time, last time used, or app name, so it's totally up to you. And the phone information with technical info about your device, of course. Again, email number, car network, and data service, voice service, signal strength. Of course, you will be able to see all of this information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why you cannot see it. Here we can also run ping test, and there we've got the results. And after tapping on the 3 icon, we can enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.